Are dental implants safe? Dental implants have become a popular solution for individuals who have missing teeth and are looking for a more permanent and natural-looking option to restore their smiles. However, there are still concerns and questions surrounding the safety of dental implants. In this video, we will delve into the topic of whether dental implants are safe and address common misconceptions and concerns. What are dental implants? Before we discuss the safety of dental implants, let's first understand what they are. Dental implants are artificial tooth roots that are surgically placed into the jawbone to support a replacement tooth or bridge. They are made of biocompatible materials such as titanium, which allows them to fuse with the bone and provide a strong foundation for the replacement tooth. Are dental implants safe? One of the main concerns surrounding dental implants is whether they are safe for individuals to undergo. The truth is, dental implants have been used for decades and have a high success rate. According to the American Academy of Implant Dentistry, the success rate for dental implants is around 98%. The safety of dental implants largely depends on the experience and expertise of the dental professional performing the procedure. It is important to choose a qualified and experienced dentist or oral surgeon who specializes in implant dentistry to ensure a successful outcome. Additionally, proper oral hygiene and regular dental checkups are essential to maintaining the health of the implant and surrounding tissues. Common misconceptions about dental implants. There are several misconceptions and myths surrounding dental implants that may cause individuals to question their safety. Let's address some of these common misconceptions. 1. Dental implants are painful. While it is true that dental implant surgery is a form of oral surgery and may cause some discomfort during the healing process, most patients report minimal pain. The procedure is usually performed under local anesthesia, and pain management medication can be prescribed to alleviate any discomfort. 2. Dental implants are not long-lasting. Dental implants are a permanent solution for missing teeth and can last a lifetime with proper care and maintenance. Unlike other tooth replacement options such as dentures or bridges, dental implants do not require special cleaning or maintenance and function like natural teeth. 3. Dental implants are expensive. While dental implants may require a significant upfront cost, they are a long-term investment in your oral health and overall well-being. Many dental offices offer payment plans and financing options to make the procedure more affordable for patients. 4. Dental implants can cause health issues. There is no scientific evidence to suggest that dental implants can cause health issues or complications. In fact, dental implants are a safe and effective treatment for individuals with missing teeth and can improve overall oral health and quality of life. In conclusion, dental implants are a safe and reliable solution for individuals with missing teeth. With a high success rate and minimal risks, dental implants offer a permanent and natural-looking option to restore your smile and improve your oral health. By choosing a qualified and experienced dental professional and maintaining proper oral hygiene, you can enjoy the benefits of dental implants for years to come.